Here we go, look at the birds going ballistic. Hit, oh yeah. Woohoo! Oh, here we go, look at a bust up here. Woo! Up. Oh, and over. Alrighty. Welcome back, guys, to Dom's Fishing Adventures. So I'm just getting ready to launch. There's no one here, so I'll take my time, but then again, I don't want to waste time here. I want to spend my time out in the water, chasing a couple of fish. Just can't believe how glassy the conditions are, which is a good thing in a way, because if you see any little bust ups or baits, that's where the fish would be holding. But it looks to me that there's not much activity at all. So I'm just, oh, there's a few birds over there. Oh yeah, there's a hole. There's a hole. So there's birds, they're running somewhere. Which way are they going? They're going leftwards. Yep. Yeah, and they're just crashing now. Now this is a shallow bank, so I've got to watch out. Okay, so let's get some lures going. A lot of birds. I think I'm going to troll because I'm not. Schools are just so vast. I can see bust ups right near me. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Bust up. Ooh, fish on. It's a small one. Nothing big. Nothing big, I think. Mind you, using a bit of a heavier outfit. Here we go. Here we go. Nice. Oh, it just came off on the last minute. That's okay. That's all right. So, whew, a lot of casts to get that one fish. So exciting, but you just don't know where to cast. Yeah. With a nice known spot of a splash. There we go. Yep. On again. Now what the hell's going on? The wind's coming the other way. Another small one, chopper. Let's see if I can land him. There we go, yeah, chopper. Small one. There you go, these lures work. These lures are from people called Berserker. So check it out. It's just a flat bit of metal, barbed hooks, and you got this skirt here on the bottom. Gave me a whole pile. This is a 40 gram one. I think I might go for the 60, a bit more heavy, I go for the bigger species. But there you go. So Tailor on lures casting. Yeah, 27 centimeters. Got to be 30 here in Perth. You beauty. First fish of the day. So what I'm going to do now is actually try and locate the bigger ones because they're a bit small. Good fun, but at the end of the day, bigger fish, a bit more fun. There's a lot of fish around here, so there's still a lot of birds around here. Yeah, right over there, I guess going for it. Yeah, there's birds right behind me, so I want to do, get rid of this. Go back to this one. Just a matter of deciding where to cast. Oh my God. Oh. There we go, here we go. Ooh. Here we go. So those lures are getting smashed. Again, they're smaller species, these ones. Yeah, good fun. It's coming around here. Oh, come on. Oh. No, it's better size, this one. That's all right. I don't care if I lose them, but I'm catching them. Here we go, look at the birds going ballistic. So what's happening, the Tailor is just rounding up all the bait fish, making some commotion, and the birds see it. Oh, right here too. Right behind the bait. What am I doing over there? Right here. I just got to watch out I don't get any birds. That'll be a bit disastrous. I might have to fish, not chicken. Here we go. Hit. Hit. Oh yeah. Woohoo! This is a better sized one, this one. A bit of curry. So that's what, 3 or 4 fish already. Yeah, this one's a better size. Let's see if I can land it properly. Oh yeah, good size. Still got some curry. Oh, he's a good size, this one. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, up. Oh, and over. That's a good size. Yeah, that's a fine specimen on that one. And he just spat the last minute. Yeah, it's a good size. Good size, that one. Good size Tailor. I don't know how many times I've told it. And these lures are killing it from Berserker. I just went for the one that I thought would imitate what they're eating. And that's the white bait fish. Bit of a silver lining on top there. Oh, there's a big bust up over there. Oh, here we go. Look at a bust up here. Whew. Lovely. Oh man, just surprised there's no one out here because it's a really glorious day for fishing. Saw one other boat come up, but they've already gone. They've given up. Now this one here is a bit timid. Might be well hooked. A bit of a smaller specimen. And these hooks are self-releasing. Woohoo! Oh. There we go. That's a bit more of a greeny colour. So, and he's making the grade. This is going to be mayhem. Bleed me fish all the time. This one here, he's a horse, this one. Measure this guy up. Yeah, 40. The biggest Tailor this season. Oh look, it's just mayhem. So I just see the package they gave me all these lures. So that's the brand there, Berserker. So yeah, they're doing it right. So you come 60 and 40, and there's also 80s, I think. Different sizes and colours. I'm actually going to use a pilchard one in the 60. Birds activity, where are they going? What I might do is actually put this on the troll. Birds going that way, they're all over the place. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is a good size. This is a good size on the troll. Well, these lures, I never knew the normal metal slices or slugs are good on the troll, but this one here got smashed. Always a worry that you hit a bit of pile of weed and it's getting snagged, but no, this is definitely a fish. Definitely a fish. Oh yeah, he's come off. That's all right. That's all right. But there you go. But a bingsky. I'm only in like 1 metre, 1.2 metres. You know, the wind's picking up. I'll actually go against the wind. It's actually quite refreshing, you know, trolling these lures, and you got the rod in your hand because you can feel the bite, and your hand sort of like it's a bit of a backfire down into the strike zone. So this is all right. I like this. Trolling around with the rod. Oh, there we go. Dom, I think you just talk too much, mate. Woo! So that's the way to go. And the birds have stopped. I know the birds are all the way down there, but that's all right. They're going for the bait fish. We're going for the bait hunters. Oh yeah. Oh, just now when it comes into the boat, they really start to give me some curry. Another fine specimen on that one. Come on, you can bring him up. Yeah, yeah, beauty. Probably not as big as the last one. So yeah, I like these lures. They're comfortable, actually safe because you're not got multiple barbs. And when you do that, just watch it. The tailor's not going to bite you. Probably don't even need pliers. Those, yeah, too easy. Whoa! Right, so this lure is really killing it. I'm very tempted to change it up. Different colour, different pattern, whether it works or whether it doesn't. I might try this pink and black stripping on it. Yeah, so I'm using these easy release clip snap ones. This one here's got an extra one. It's double, it's a bit wobbly, but it's doing all right. It's just a quick release. I think they're called suicide clamps. Yeah, so I was casting this one here. This is the pinky one, the black stripes. Yeah, definitely works. Just curious to see if colour really makes a difference. Another fine specimen on that one. Bit smaller one, it's come off. I think we'll throw this one back. Lovely. So yeah, the fish are really on today. And that's the colour pattern right here. On your Tailor, he's definitely a sizey, but don't have to keep every fish I catch. I'll probably catch a few bigger, more ones, and yeah, great. And the fish are releasing nice and healthy. They're not getting too damaged, which is always a good thing to see. Oh, looks like we've got double hook up. This one here's actually come off. This one's come off, but that one here hasn't. Right, and it's taken me a while, and there's a good size one here. It's taken me a long while to eventually find them. I thought they would be around here, but you got to cover a lot of ground. It's starting to rain too. Now this one here, yeah, it's fair hooked. No wonder he felt so big. Good, healthy specimen on that one. Measure him up. Yeah, another 36er. Beauty. So as I said, I was trolling. As you can see, it's just turned into really wintry conditions. I think it's time to get the raincoat. Haven't worn a raincoat in years. So it's really coming down rain. I managed to find my jacket. And yeah, it's a real strange feeling, I'll tell you what. It's really coming down. I'm gonna hide here. I'm actually gonna go into it. Oh, it's a bit windy front. Let's go against it. That's better. Woo! Man, oh man. And after this, the shower's gonna clear up. I reckon the fish will start firing up too. Jeez, unbelievable. Oh, yeah, this is this fish feels pretty heavy. I think it's been foul hooked. Decent size. Just been struggling to find the fish. Here we go. What is he? He's a good Tailor. God, he's just really engulfed that one. Whew. That's beauty. Really smacked the lure. The bad thing is I got my other lure out there, it's probably hitting the bottom. So, alrighty buddy, okay, yeah. Beautiful hook up. It's going nowhere. So, eventually, after that hectic session this morning, whoo, found a couple more. There's another front coming in. And I've done pretty good tonight. I'll show you the catch when I get a bit more closer in. Getting hammered by this wind. Look at this catch here. Not too bad at all. Pretty happy. And that's the biggest one here. 40cm one. I haven't caught my 40cm one for quite some time. Skin it as well. And it's absolutely fresh. It's from today. Beauty. So that there I'll be using probably for some bait later on. Crab bait. Cheers. Cut down there into the bloodline, both of them. Cut them into pieces. Or not, I'm going to be putting this fish onto a pizza because I've got some fresh, beautiful Tailor. I haven't done this for a while as well, so I'm a bit rusty. Forgive me. Oops. I'm not going to try and flip it up. Alrighty. Crush up tomatoes. What I like to do is put some oil in it to season this up. Salt. Need a bit of salt. And some chopped up oregano. So if you get the base right, the rest of the pizza comes out really nice and tasty. It's a bit runny, but that's alright. Seafood pizza, so there's going to be no cheese. You can, but the Tailor fish is going to plonk it up all over the place. Distribute it evenly, so every time you take a bite, you've got a piece of Tailor in your mouth. A bit more oregano, oil on top so it doesn't dry out. And of course some basil, even though I've got no cheese to go on it, but how about that? Tailor pizza. Whew. I forgot chopped up garlic. Shush. Overdone it. Bit brown around the edges. Let's get into it. It looks really good. That's how it is, nice beautiful Tailor. Oh yeah. Chili. Where's my beer? Too much chili. That is really nice. Tailor pizza. Watch out, it's a new craze. See you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Fish.
Take it easy.
Tucker. Fish. Tucker. Fish. Tucker, man.
No.
Fish. Tucker. Fish. Tucker. The fish. Tucker, man.